Ever watched your fancy Deebot X1 Omni just spin in circles? Yeah, we've all been there. The left and right wheel set issue is a common problem for Deebot X1 Omni owners. It can be caused by a faulty wheel module, a spinning issue with the driving wheel, or even a loose wheel rubber. This means your robot vacuum might struggle to navigate smoothly, clean uneven surfaces, and even potentially get stuck. Don't ignore it. This can lead to some serious problems, like your robot vacuum getting stuck and unable to clean properly. And if left unaddressed, it could even cause further damage to your beloved robot. And now you might be thinking, why don't I fix it myself? It's just a wheel replacement, and there are a lot of videos, tutorials. But wait, think about this. Trying to fix a faulty wheel module yourself could mean damaging the motor, causing further harm to the drive system, or even messing with the delicate wiring. You could end up with a bigger problem on your hands and a hefty repair bill to boot. So, instead of risking a DIY disaster and a costly repair, why not play it smart? Don't let a simple wheel issue turn into a cleaning disaster. It's time to call in the experts. Trust RoboCare to prevent these worst-case scenarios and get your Deebot X1 Omni back to its cleaning glory. We're the experts on robot vacuum repair, and we'll make sure your Deebot stays happy and healthy. At RoboCare, we offer expert robot vacuum repair for all models, including your Deebot X1 Omni. Just drop it off at our Kota Damansara service center or send it via our convenient courier service. Our technicians are trained to handle even the most complex wheel issues, and we use genuine Ecovacs parts to ensure your Deebot is back in perfect working order. But we don't just talk about results. We show them. Let's take a look at some real-world examples of how RoboCare has brought Deebot X1 Omni back to life. And ta-da! The Deebot X1 Omni is now cleaning like a champ again. The robot vacuum effortlessly navigating the home and cleaning flawlessly. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
When I got my Deebot back, it was like a brand new robot. The wheels were spinning perfectly, and the rubber was back in place. It was amazing. They even cleaned it before sending it back. It was like a little gift. I couldn't have asked for a better experience.
Ready to get your robot vacuum back to cleaning like a champ? Contact RoboCare today.